Hello, fellow manifestors. This video, I'll go a little bit deeper into Neville Goddard's SATS technique. SATS stands for State Akin to Sleep. And this technique is quite powerful. I'll explain what and why in this video. Let's jump deep into it. Who's Neville Goddard? Neville Goddard is a pioneer in manifesting, almost like father of so many books in manifesting. He was between 1940s to 1960. He did tremendous work, pioneering work. A lot of us, including me, are very grateful for that. Now, there are many different modes, ways, practices to practice going into the state of your wish fulfilled. So Neville's main philosophy is law of assumption, LOA, which is also similar to law of attraction. But law of assumption states that you assume the state you want to be in. If you assume the state such as you want a house, you want a job, you want a relationship, you want money, you assume that you have it. You assume the state of wish fulfilled. Now, primarily to influence the subconscious mind, let's talk about the SATS technique, which is when we go to sleep, just before we go to sleep, is the transition of fully conscious wake mode to a almost sleeping, fully sleep mode. There's a transition period, which is what he calls it SATS, state akin to sleep. You are awake all the time, you are in bed, just falling asleep, you're semi-conscious, semi-unconscious. There's a gray area in between, almost like considered to be a twilight or a sunset or a sunrise. It's not fully up, not fully down. That's the state akin to sleep. The reason is that when you transition from the state of full consciousness, the wake hours, to the sleep hours, when you're transitioning, you surrender your mind. Your mind is starting to quieten down and your subconscious is very open to be influenced. That's the key part. So you are impressing on the subconscious mind and whatever thoughts you want to impart. Why it cannot be? You can still do that in the daytime. You people do that. But mind comes in the way. The mind will tell you, let's say you say, hey, I'm going to be rich. Mind in the wake time, if you say that, you can, you should. When the wake hours, mind will say, how are you going to get rich? Where's the money going to come from? Are you capable? All those thoughts come in. The mind is super active, putting a filter, questioning you, doubting you, creating fear and doubt and all that stuff. But when you go into the subconscious, the semi-wake state, the transitioning state, mind is almost semi-asleep. It is not putting a lot of resistance. It doesn't put a lot of conditions. So you have a chance, the doors half open, chance to influence subconscious mind. Of course, you're in a full dream state or full sleep state, you cannot influence. You're no longer conscious. You can't tell what you want to do. So the subconscious, the transition time is a perfect time to tell the subconscious mind, by the way, I am capable. I'm visualizing what I want. I'm a happy mood. So you basically, what you do in that state could be as little as 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, couple of minutes while you're falling asleep is you do two things. Reinforce your positive belief. Yes, I can. I'm capable. I'm good. I'm going to do this. It's going to happen. That's the first part, the belief reinforcement. The second part is you visualize your wish fulfilled. You dream almost, you think and you visualize you having that state. Could be the money, could be a relationship, could be a child, could be whatever you want, a partner. You believe, you see yourself having that state. You move from the lack to abundance. You move into the state of assuming what will look like, what your feeling of wish fulfilled. You'll be very happy and positive. You fall asleep in that. So the key is you fall asleep in that state of wish fulfilled, in the positive state, reinforcing your subconscious mind. Yes, this is true. Yes, this is going to happen. Yes, this is happening. Also reinforce the belief, eliminate all the negative belief. That's the time you almost hand over. You're handing over the consciousness to the subconscious. This is what I'm going to be in. The reason is that your subconscious mind picks it up and continues with it and reinforces it and acts on it. That's what Neville is saying. And we have seen a lot of examples of how people are able to change themselves and by influencing in that very key moment of falling asleep where the door is open, The subconscious mind is listening more. More importantly, why it doesn't work is your mind is quietening down. Your mind is not coming in the way. It does not put filter. It does not question. It does not negate. It does not object. So mind out of the way is a great way to influence the subconscious mind. So SAT stands for state akin to sleep. That's the time when you go to bed, you think positive, reinforce what you want to see, be in a state of wish fulfilled, reinforce the positive belief, negate all the negative belief, and you fall asleep with that dream of wish fulfilled. And that's your very good way that you will make great progress. You stay in this. Neville says you do this for 7 days or 30 days and you're going to see magic. And I believe that. Try this for 30 days. You're going to see an impact. Again, don't negate this all through the day and just do this just sleeping time. Try to behave all through the day. Stay in a positive mode. Stay in a wish fulfilled. But especially in this time, if you do, it's almost many times more powerful. I hope you do that. I hope you got the message. Wish you good luck on SATS. If you have any question, comment here. I'll be happy to help you. I have a course on this. I have a masterclass as well on this, manifesting. I have a free ebook. Join me on this. Hope you like this message. If you do, I trust, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe and share. And I will see you more in the next video. I have more discussions on manifesting and a masterclass as well. I will see you there. Till then, happy SATS manifesting, especially every night, and you do this, it'll be very powerful. I also have a complimentary thing I'll release next week, is what you do when you wake up. So this is talked about going asleep. A similar concept also applies when you wake up. Look for that video when we transition from sleep to wake mode, as opposed to this one is about wake to the sleep mode. Happy manifesting. Take care. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.